This is Tank from Zhejiang Owner Machinery. We are a professional manufacturer of paper bag making machine and non-woven bag making machine. Today, I would like to introduce you our another model A400 paper bag making machine. Here is the machine. This machine can make square bottom paper bag with twisted handle. Okay, let me start to introduce the machine details. And this is the handle patch making unit. Here is the round rope. The round rope diameter from 4 to 6 millimeters. Here are two handle patch paper rolls. The width from 90 to 100 millimeters. And here you can see we have two EPC controller to make sure the paper roll running straightly. And here are two sensors to tracking the paper roll running. If the paper roll cut off or running out of material, the machine will stop running automatically. Okay, here is the handle patch guide rail. The paper roll with hot melt glue and water glue mix. And this is hot melt glue container, and this one is water glue container. The next step is this roller to punch the handle patch a hole in the middle to make sure the handle patch on the right position of paper bag. Then this position we have a round rope here to cut the handle patch to two pieces. And this servo motor to control the whole handle patch making unit. Okay, let's move next step. And this is handle patch traction part controlled by servo motor. Here we have a knife to cut the handle patch piece by piece, then loading here. And this is handle patch feeding unit, also controlled by servo motor. And in front we have three sets of rollers to press the handle patch to make it more stronger. Okay, let's move down. And here these two devices, and this is handle patch gluing device and pre-cut device. These two devices also controlled by servo motors. And here are, you can see here are two sensors to track the glue in the fixed position. And the pre-cut device is to prevent the handle patch round rope not to cut off on the tube length cutting device. And here is the material feeding part. The material feeding part, we use hydraulic pressure structure. The paper roll diameter should less than 1.5 meters. And here is our EPC controller to make sure the paper roll running straightly. And this is tension controller to control the paper roll's tension. And here is the paper bag side gluing device. Normally we use water glue. If the machine stops running, the device will also stop gluing. And here, this is the Germany SICK brand photoelectric tracking device to track the paper bag with printing pattern. Our A400 paper bag making machine with 2 mechanical bins with 2 sets of templates. If you need to make another size of paper bag, you should just adjust here to make the bag width different. And these wheels to adjust the bag button width. You should turn here. Turn here, this button. And the next, here is our bag forming part. This is traction part. And this is tube length cutting part. And this is bag feeding part. And this is creasing part. And here is bag button open part. And this is bag button gluing part. Okay, here is our big drum. And last part is our bag collection part. This part we have 7 servo motors to control the bag forming parts. Let me introduce you one by one. The first servo motor to control the leaf cut and the pick knife. The second servo motor to control the traction part. And this servo motor to control the tube length cutting part. And this is to control the feeding part. And this one is main servo motor. And this is button opening part. And another servo motor inside is to control the button gluing part. Okay, we have totally 12 servo motors from Japan Yaskawa in our machine to make our machine running very high speed stably. Then why our machine can running high speed and stable? Here you can see our Mazak CNC machine, also imported from Japan. And beside me, we have our own CNC machine center to make sure our spare parts made by ourselves in very high precision. Okay, if you need other more detailed information of our machine, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.